I am Kar Lyn. I am based in Cheras, Kuala Lumpur, and I am graduating with Diploma in Digital Media Design. And my final year project is called Pasar Escape. It is a game that educates children on what they can do if they are lost in a public space. The inspiration for this game actually came from my own childhood, when my mother would always warn me not to wander off or I will get kidnapped easily. Which is true, because as a child, I couldn't really tell who was safe or dangerous to be with, and so I tend to wander off thinking everything was fine.
Hello, welcome to my Kedai Runjit. My final project is called Kedai Time Machine. It's a game to let people experience going back to the old times and also acknowledge the younger generation to get to know more about the traditional products and the culture. One special thing about this game is that there is a last part where you can receive a gacha ball, and the gacha ball inside there is also a special paper where you can receive a gift. And I like the last part where the gacha balls falls because I get to see people's expression when they are very excited and happy to get the gift.
Hi, my name is Zhun Khai. My final project is a game they call Kapi Kapi Journey to Ama House. And it's about solving the problem of impatience and helping the impatient people to get along better with the one who always get impatient. So in this 3D collaborative game, which help people to work together and creates a happy atmosphere to let them participate in the game.
I would like to give my thanks to my lecturer, Carrie, because he always helps me touch base and keep things relatable with my target audience. And he always brings up points that I would have never considered otherwise.
Jeremy, he gave me very huge support and guidance for my final project as well.
As well as Mr. Ming, where he always guides me during the coding game.
It feels kind of surreal, but it's similar to the feeling of graduating after secondary school. It's like a new opening chapter to my life. I'm also excited to enter the workforce and show myself to the world.